everyone, welcome back to Lina's Pretend Play.
In this video,
We'll talk about
measuring the space inside shape.
understanding mental math.
Well, it's understanding area.
It's area.
Yeah.
So, what is area, Lina?
Area is the amount of space inside a shape. So, like inside of this, how much area is in this? We don't know.
Yeah, that's a circle, right? And then here is the same thing. The figure is there, kind of like looks like rectangle.
It is rectangle.
Yeah. So what is that 4 and 3?
4 and 3 means. Do you know what 4 times 3 is?
Yeah, I know. It's 12.
Yeah. That's the area of it. You just have to do this side, like I have
length and width. Right?
So this is the length. And no, this one's width, and this one is length. So then you have to, whatever this is, let's say this was the example of that, okay?
Yeah.
So this is 4, this is 3, okay? So 4 times 3 equals 12.
Yeah.
So we put it inside of here. That's how much is this whole thing.
Area will be 12 centimeters square.
It looks like it's a little bit bigger.
Well explained, Let's see what is it. So area is the amount of the space inside a shape.
Okay, steps to find the area. Step 1, identify the length and width.
Yeah, that's what we taught.
Step 2, multiply the length by the width.
That's what we taught. So here length is 3 and width is 4.
So area is 12, which is 3 times 4 or...
Another problem, and the rules apply the same.
Yeah.
So what are the steps?
So the first step is
identify the
length and the width, and then
you multiply it by them.
Yeah.
So what's the length?
And then it is 40. Because
but what is the length here, Lina?
The length is 10.
It could be 10 or 4. And the width?
I'm saying 10. And the width is 4. Yeah, it doesn't matter.
So 4 times 10 equal to
40.
So unit we will discuss.
Yeah. 40.
So let's find the next one. What is that shape?
It's still a rectangle.
Yeah, looks like a closure. So what's the length? What could be the area here? What is steps?
I think the area is
28.
Yeah.
So length times width. Length is 2 and width is 14.
Which is 20.
Yeah. Good. Next.
14 times 2. That's 14 times 2.
So you know the formula now, right?
Yeah, and then the other one was I forgot what the other one was. Okay.
Oh!
No. You did not see anything. Okay. So we have 15 and 16.
Yeah. Step
number 1.
Identify length and width.
Step number 2. Multiply those.
Length by width. Yeah, can you try there?
I think I know what
15 times 16.
But let's just do it if you guys already know the answer. So let's do a long multiply. Times 15.
How can you do? Do you know that?
So, yeah.
Oh, that's
so
good.
first you do 6 times 5, which is 30. So I'll put the 0 here and the 3 up here.
Yeah.
And then 5 times 1, which is 5. And then you're adding 3, so that's there.
Yeah.
3, so which is 8.
Yeah.
Then you'll put it here. Then now you don't need this 3.
Yeah.
No 3. No more 3.
Now.
And then 1 times 6, which is 6.
Yeah.
And then you put it right under here.
Yeah, it doesn't go in the
And then
time,
1 times 1, which is 1, comes right here. Then you add it.
Yeah.
So this is 0. This is
14.
14.
And that will be 2.
Yeah. So 240. 240.
Good. You're doing very good, Lina.
That's good.
Job.
Yeah. And then Oh yeah, that's how. And 240.
What is this here inside? That's the space.
That's the area. 240. The little squares, the cubes.
Yeah.
Or the area inside of it is
Yeah,
240,
that's
which is
it.
also
Basically,
known
the
as
area,
240.
the space inside that container or the graph is area.
Yeah. Next slide.
Mhm.
And that's it.
So that's all. Thank you so much. Hope you learned something new about area and keep practicing.
Bye.